everyone, welcome to my channel. If you are new, my name is Miriam. I cover DIY, home decor, and lifestyle videos. Today we're making over my supposed to be guest room. This is what it looks like. Right now we've just been storing, we've been storing all of our junk in here and kind of ignoring it, but we're gonna start working on this room, and we are about to give this room a makeover and turn it into what it's supposed to be, an actual guest room. So let's get started. Honestly, let me see if I can get it better. Honestly, did not realize how much stuff is in here until you're actually trying to get rid of everything.
What did you just say?
I'm saying I didn't realize how much stuff is in here until now that we're trying to
fit. But this is.
So we finally cleared the whole room out, and I want this room to appear bigger than it really is because it's actually a very small room. So I actually had my husband paint the entire room white so it'll appear a lot bigger than it actually is. So Lowe's had this for sale. This was a good buy because they normally have this for like $45, $50. I got it for $10. bed right here, I get it every time I'm doing a room makeover because I don't know if y'all can see. It's easy assemble. 1, 2, 3, you're done. Okay, you guys, let's take a look at what the room looked like before. This is what we were dealing with when we first started with the makeover. Just things all over the place. That color was horrible. It kind of looked tight. Made it look a lot smaller than it would actually is. Now let's look at the room after the makeover. Let me know what you guys think.